Hey everyone, this is Juana Lefter. I'm a managing partner with Tenancy Services, and this is our daily video. There are a lot of studies that have come up recently about how the COVID-19 pandemics has impacted the way the consumers consume and live in general. And there is an interesting article from McKinsey that shows how the consumer behavior has changed in response to the lockdown. And I would like to share with you this particular graphic with various areas in the lives of the consumers and how they were impacted. For instance, on the work side, obviously there's a rise of unemployment, there's an on-the-go consumption, and remote working has increased significantly. There's actually a 20 times increase in Zoom daily participants. In terms of learning, people are doing remote learning. There's a 35% of Netflix subscribers that use it for educational content. For the communications and information area, for instance, obviously the in-person sampling has declined. There's a shift in media consumption as well, and there's a further migration to digital. In terms of health and well-being, there's a high focus on health and hygiene. E-pharmacy and e-doctor are at scale, also fitness on demand. And there are some other areas you should check out as well. Now, obviously, if you would also like to find some other studies and research data from McKinsey, check their website, subscribe to their feeds, and enjoy. Thank you.